sound. Finally fixed it after all these streams. Ladies and gentlemen, boys and girls, and all those in between, that's right. You know what time it is. It's time again for another segment of the Flux Reversal show. Let me talk straight. I'm trying to be motivated. I'm not really feeling motivated. Streaming live from the Houston, Texas sprawl. It's approximately 2:13 p.m. Central Standard Time, May 12th, 2026. Nice day outside. Nice and fucking hot. Not feeling too motivated today, but I was going to be jumping on the computer fucking off and doing things anyways. Figured I'd just go ahead and stream it. Why the hell not? FluxReversal.com. Ask your mom for all my links and socials if you're so inclined. I'm trying to become Kick verified. You can type info in chat or simply Kick. For all kinds of information, I need to meet the following 3 criteria over a 30-day period to become Kick verified, and that's over 30-day period. I'm getting the numbers mixed up. That's 10 subs, unique subs, not gift subs, average of 50 viewers, and 100 unique chatters. And I really started making this push just here in February recently. I'm just still new into it. My name is Flux Reversal. I am not just a streamer, but I'm a wannabe content creator, wannabe streamer, wannabe monetize it all. It would be nice. And I've really been experimenting and messing around over the past years, and have just going into this year decided I think I'm going to try that. I'm going to try it. I'm going to try to make some money doing these things. But they're all tied in together. I'm hoping to make content to filter people to my live stream. And if you want to see what my live stream is about, you can watch it a little bit today. I have a YouTube channel, which I haven't started on yet, about tutorials. It'll be kind of a little bit of the stuff you might see today, some real basic things. Also, I do a news show. I haven't done the news show in 4 weeks. This Saturday, we're back on track. The news show will be returning in all its glory this Saturday. It's regular scheduled time. We're going to try and get as started early in the AM as we can. Probably around, 10, 11, 10. I want to watch the Saturday morning Kick Talk. I like watching that. So whenever that ends, I'll probably start. What else? Yeah, I mean, you can follow me in other social platforms if you'd like. They're not really moving right now. I would like to, and that's why I do them. My YouTube channel is a variety channel. My other channel is a tutorial channel, which I am not giving you information on right now. This is my news channel. I stream my news shorts on TikTok, and that is also returning this week. Hopefully get those. I'm not going to be doing the weekly recap format. I'm just going to be posting news of stuff that I feel really opinionative about and that I want to get out there. I'm just going to be doing that on a regular basis, a more regular basis. I'm also going to yeah, that's it. I have another side project I've also started that's related to content creation and streaming. It's like a collaboration type hub for streamers and content creators. Maybe if you're already up and running and you don't need help, you don't need nobody, but it's really hard to find people to collaborate with. It's very, very hard. There is nothing that exists You have to get out there and do the old grassroots style when it simply just takes like a fucking LFG type of job board. Just create a fucking job board for people. Yeah, it's just that simple. So I've created it. I haven't worked on it in over a week. It was just too much. You know, I took that on. I wasn't expecting to take it on. There's more to it than I thought there would be to do it the way I want to do it. And it's close to being done and presentable. Once that's done, I'm going to start approaching people that I've networked with here on Kick to see if anybody, specific individuals who have expressed interest about collaborating and looking for collaborations and how hard it is to do so. I know some of these people and we share the same opinions, and I'll ask them to come be moderators, and I'll tell them what that entails. And it's supposed to be a real simple process because it's a collaboration hub with the whole purpose is to manually verify and vet people so you don't get spam and bot and shit. You know, joining these forums, you know. So anyways, there's that. But on top of that, I was already trying to refine my live stream, what you're seeing right now. It is dated. I haven't changed my stream setup in like 3 years. That's the truth. I'm talking about overlays, alerts. Shit hadn't changed. I didn't change it until this past week. I started changing stuff and updating things. Some of my news borders and stuff, those were modernized. Yeah, so become a good stream, present a good show, and I like gadgets and technology, and I like knowing there's ways for me to do stuff for free and learning how to do it and applying it to my stream. And I spend a lot of time behind the scenes doing that. I don't show any of that. You know, I mean, probably I could, but it's just boring. It's just me nerding out, reading and stuff. And sometimes worrying about a stream while I'm trying to learn something new while I'm doing it live is kind of hinders the progress or the process. What else? So yeah, and content creation. So I want to create static evergreen content. I want content that I like to do, which is news. I don't mind doing the news. And I provide that in 3 different formats. I do it live on Saturday mornings here on Kick. And after the end of that show, I edit that down and put that on YouTube for a long-term video. But I also make vertical shorts. I've been making vertical shorts and news regulars for. I just started doing the vertical shorts over the past many months. But I've been doing news, live streams, and videos on my variety channel, YouTube variety channel for years. Not new. Just messing around. I use it as a reason to experiment with things like editing and making videos, you know. I mean, unless you have a reason or okay, I'm doing this and I got to have this, this, and this. This is what I think I want on it. You can't just like, I'm going to make a video, look at my video. What is it of? Oh, I'm picking grass. I mean, you could really make a good video about picking grass. Don't get me wrong, man. You could really do it up. But you get my point. Having something that's like a project oriented to like, okay, I'm going to make a video. This is what the video is going to be about, and this is what it needs to have. It's good to have that stuff to drive your editing and stuff when you're learning. So yeah, I live stream. I'm learning, still learning and tweaking, and the stuff that I do know that I do use. It's all free, and I'm going to start making tutorials on the tutorial channel, and I'll make that public eventually. But yeah, fluxreversal.com. Ask your mom for my links and socials. If you want to support me and you don't know where, do it here on Kick. If you want to show me some financial support, do it here on Kick. If you want to tip me, I'd prefer you just give me a sub. If you want to give me some kicks, I prefer just a sub. I know there's a lot of kicks floating around out there. I mean, I'll take some kicks, bro. I ain't look at my tip jar. You see my tip jar on my screen? My tip jar is empty, bro. Fill it up. So today we're going to be working on some stream overlays. I was looking at my news show overlay, and I was trying to just jank it with the Kick, and it wasn't looking like this right here. So we're going to work on this right now is what we're getting into. Looks kind of stupid. That's not the way it's supposed to look. That's the new kick overlay I made. And I tried to squeeze my news board. So we're just going to get rid of the kick overlay, actually, not even use it. And we're going to stretch my news board back to how it's supposed to be for now. And we're going to make a modified version of this today with the continued on the kick theme that we're doing. All right. We're probably just going to use this border right here. And we'll go over here back to this. I had made a new one, an alternate one to use as a frame for 16:9 frame for a portrait frame. If you wanted to, that was the original intent of that frame. Branding logos. This is just a plain frame like what you see here. Where's the one I started working on? Oh, here it is. I just want to look at. I forgot what it looked like. I think it's like how you see the little borders around the screen, like towards the inside. A fucking update. What do you mean there's an update? Update available? God damn it. I guess fucking update. Shit. God damn. Directly, I guess. Directly. Yes, we just install the GIMP update directly. We done? In progress. All right. Well, fuck you too, GIMP. Well, not fuck you. Thank you for your free software. Trying to create restore point. Extracting files. Such intense. Action is non-stop here. The other one we're going to need is Stream Border News Chat 2. Oh, that's the old one. What's the difference between these two? Why do I have... Oh, so I won't accidentally delete it or use it for something else. Okay. You done? All right. I guess because it's just updated, it's going to take a second to update its plugin. I don't use plugins. I don't use any plugins. No, not the one I want. Ooh, definitely not it. Why do I have that stuff? Damn it. All right, so we're going to work with this. We're going to take the white and black off as best we can. See if we can just shave it off. And we're going to work with that. Back to the branding and branding logos, kick branding. Wasn't any of these. None of those. What was this one? No. I mean, there was that. Okay. What was this? Okay. So that's like a horizontal, but you can't skew it. That's the thing. You can't stretch it around. If you did, the logo would look funny, but I have one that you could stretch, which I guess is this. I'm probably going to use this. This is probably what I am going to use. I'm probably just going to use this right here. I can use this. This should make my life easier. Not that one. All right. I might be able to get away with this. I'd have to like mess around. I think. Yeah, let me. Oh, get knocked out. Oh, I got to sneeze. Okay, so what I want to do is just use this, and I can put my other right on top of it. Like put that at the very base. Then the visual, which anyways, I'm gonna have to extract it. I'm gonna put this at the very base of my scene selection, and everything else will be on top of it. Oh, gotta sneeze again. Oh man, I just had a fucking sneezing fit. So I guess I had like this little hair from my mustache right under my nose, like kind of grow into my skin, whatever, and it, oh man, and it itched and it triggered a sneezing fit. My eyes are watering. All right, so what I was trying to say is the part of the stream that I want you to see, you know, like all this, not the border, you know, the main part. And I got all these elements that, you know, mouse. Oh, you can't even see it. Do I have my mouse turned off? I sure do. Anyways, I got all these elements like my visualizer and my tip jar and shit in the border. You know, accenting on top of the part that I really want you to see. So to make my life easier, I wanted to do a kick theme for my new show, and I was willing to put the work into it, but we're going to experiment with just using this as the background. Oh man, I still want to sneeze like crazy. I'm sitting there looking at the temperatures of this old graphics card in my old streaming computer. Fucking bitch is hot right now. I'm recording and streaming. We need to relocate it. You put it down closer on the ground. It's up in the air. I need to put it by the fucking air conditioner. Return air is where I need to put it at. Anyways. Yeah. Why are you so hot? All right, so let's export this as a PNG because I don't have it as a PNG, right? Why did I close it? Why do I keep closing my shit? Kick theme overlay alt. Kick theme overlay frame logo. Kick themed portrait frame logo 16:9. This is it. Okay. Was it already a PNG? PNG? No, it's XFC. I was just making sure I didn't have one already. Okay. Did it do it? Did it do it? There it is. All right, we'll work with that. One thing else I want to work at when I look at these pictures, the KICK, man, I guess it's where it's at sometimes, but like some of the outline looks more thicker in some areas than the other. All right, that has to go into this drive. Okay, so now we'll go to the news. The news scene. We'll fuck around. Fuck around. Image source. Create new. Kick theme background. Kick theme background is stuff. Kick themed overlay. Okay. Well, that's not what we want. All right, how do I want to build this? How do I want to build this? All right, I'm going to bring it up here. My visualizer and shit's going to be all funky for a minute. Fuck with this a little bit. Unlock. Can I shrink this? All right. Shrink it more. This is why I was thinking about like redoing it, because you see how it's not like skewing correctly. That's why. I mean, there is something I could do. Gave it your raise. What's that song? Yeah. Oh man. See, it's not quite exactly what I want. I mean, you could use it as a background, like I said. That's the reason why I did this version like this, so you could have a background and put other stuff on it and still be like a kick theme. could still. I mean, just so I can move on and work on something else that I wanted to work on today. Doing like that is just janky, though. Yeah, I'm stick with my original plan. Put a little bit of effort into it, looks like. Effort into it, looks like. Yep. All right, we tried. We tried. We tried. So we are going to okay. Let me bitch, come on. Oops. I just don't know how I want to do this. I'm trying to think about making it easy without having to fuck with this too much right here, because I know when I start messing with this. All right, let's just start fucking and see what happens. Oops. Hang on, let's cancel. Let's take a look at this. Oops. Holes. All right, let's go with 400. Scale. Copy. Paste. Oh, man. Oops. I'm trying to zoom out. Definitely wasn't trying to zoom out. Holes. I mean, you know what I could do? Let me try this. You know what I could do? You know what I could do? You know what I could do? Let me try this. Let me try this. I'm going to create a new scene, so you're probably going to lose audio for a second. Actually, yeah, you're going to lose me for a second. All right, new news. Call it news test. There it is. Fucking A. Fucking A. What I did is I just nested my whole other scene we were just looking at into a whole new scene. So it's like a whole nested whatever. And we'll be able to resize it like this. On top of that image, we'll just fuck with that. We'll bring that image back, the kick theme background. All right, kick theme background. All right, here's our kick theme background, and we'll just put underneath this, and we can size this however we want. Let's get rid of this. Discard changes. Discard changes. All right, we could probably go with this. As bright as fuck. I can do all kinds of things with this, I think. Man. To do this, I'd have to go remove hide elements. Like if I want to move my visualizer over here and this. I mean, it's a great concept, but not for my new show. Trying to make it work. I'm trying to make it work. I'm trying to think. I'd rather have the video game industry news chat and reacts with Flux Reversal border larger. Let me fuck with this. Let me fuck with this. Let me fuck with this. Go back to here. Go back to here. I'm trying to think of how I want to do this. no matter what I'm doing, I'm to spend some time editing and changing something up. It's not going to be just a matter of moving shit around and whatnot. I mean, something like this, even if I did go this route, I'd have to make a whole nother scene. Could do that. Could do that. I mean, this other scene. Like how this border is. It's a little bit different border. See, that's a border. It's not really like a background like the other one. The other one is a background. Okay. Shit, but if I do this, I'm going to have to. If I go with this, I'm going to have to like slaughter my original news scene. All right, here's what we'll do. Here's what we'll do. Let's go back to here. Or bring back that image. Oh, not slideshow. Image. Image. Add existing. Here's what we'll do. We'll get rid of the news border. Okay. We'll go back over to this other experimental scene. You're going to lose audio for a minute. You're going to lose audio for a minute. All right. So we just created another scene. It's just exactly the monitor with the overlay. And that way all these elements in like my chat and stuff, all that can stay the same, you know. Because of that, we can move some of this other stuff around. So let's move some of this stuff around. Let's actually just bring that nested news test. News test scene. There we go. All right, all right, all right. Okay, so where's Chackamee? Let's get it all rearranged. I think we can mess with this. I'm gonna have to go like remove some other things from it, but yeah, we can work with it. Let me go get my drink. We'll come back and we'll finish fucking with this in just a second. I gotta refill my drink. Okay, we're liking this. We're liking this. We are liking the bright green, kick green, aren't we? Let's move this. This smaller, yeah. Oh, you can't even see that. Oh, you can't even see the visualizer. Oh man, it's so bright you can't see the visualizer. Oh man. Yeah, man, it's so bright. Oh my gosh. Come on. You may not like it after all. Woo! Oh man, you can't even see it move around. Oh my gosh. Maybe that's right here. Oh wow. Oh, wow. Okay. Well, that solves that. I guess we got to do some real work. Guess we got to do some real work. Darn, man. Darn. It's just too bright. Too bright. Too bright. I mean, other than that, it's fine, except for my visualizer. Yeah, because you got to be able to see my voice activity. All right, then. We'll go with the kick theme background. We'll get rid of that. We'll get rid of the nested test. Get rid of that. Go back to the nested test. Delete that. Go back to news chat where we were working. Bring my border back. Testing in your brain and nesting. Test. Hello. There was something like that, I believe. Here we go. Better. There we go. So yeah, I'm gonna do some real work, I guess. I'll do some real work over here, I guess. All right, let's get them. Let's get them looked at. Let's get them looked at. All right, let's go to. So focused on what I'm doing here. Branding logos. Rust logos, Last Oasis. So which one did we want to go with? Oh, we got to go over here too. Let's go open this one first. All right, we're just going to work with this. Let's make this easy. Oh, we got to get the kick. Never make notes of the colors. Fine. Right? Kick brand, kick brand hub, kick colors. We'll start with brown. We'll start with the brown. We will start with the brown. Whatever he said. Damn. Woo. All right, we are going to add the my driveway. Oh, it's the neighbor's kids walking home. I see. Neighbor's kids was get home from school. I remember those days. Okay, so I'm going to leave that white inside border there, and I'm going to replace it with the kick brown. Let's get us our image guides, though. Horizontal at 50%. Vertical at 50%. Rectangle tool. Oh, you know what? Radius. This is a radius of 20, I think. Uh-oh. Thanks, Waters, man. I appreciate it, bro. Thank you so much. How are you today? Thanks for the 100 kicks. Did you like my custom sound effect? My kick sound effects get more elaborate the larger the kicks are. Look at that. It filled up my kick jar. Did the meter go up? It's so small. I need to fix my meter. All right. So Thanks again, Waters. I appreciate it. Round of applause. Whoa. Yes. All right. This should be really simple as get knocked out so we can move on to our other thing we wanted to do today. Thanks again, Waters. I really appreciate it, man. Hope your last Oasis wipe is going well. Oh, that's right. We got to fix the radius on this. I think that's a 20 radius. I'm not sure. We'll just mess around and see what we got. We're just testing the radius right now, and then we'll go back and I think it is a 20 radius. I'm pretty sure. Oh, that's not what I wanted you to do. I wanted you to fill the layer. It's not what you're supposed to be doing, dumbass. Not what you're supposed to be doing. All right. Guide. Operator error, most likely. If I can knock one of my guides out. All right, try it again, Brown. Try it again, Brown. Wrong tool. Come on, center. Or are you just retarded? Bro, I usually just fucking set it up right in the middle automatically. Come on, baby. Oh, it's just not going to settle on it. Oh, who's blowing me up? You know. All right. Let's get this shit knocked out. Come on. This should be released. I'm just being very anal about this center pixel. Wow, come on. Why are you so finicky? I guess we just gotta. Oh, what are you doing? I'm super retarded today. That doesn't seem like a 20 radius I just did. Doesn't seem like a 20 radius I just did. That's a 20? What the fuck is a 50 then? That's 20. What does 50 look like? Oh shit. It's a pretty large radius. I have no idea what size that is. I have no idea what size that is, man. That could be 60. All right, once we get this radius locked down. I think it's a 60. Keep on trying it. It could be a 70. That is a fucking... big circle, man. Who did this? I should have made notes. Yeah, I made notes somewhere. I think I made notes about this shit somewhere, man. All right. Continue messing around with it. Let's try it again. Since I think it's 60, we'll make this one just a little bit smaller. That corners just seems so thick compared to the rest of it. I'm going to make it smaller. Yeah, let's make it 55. Oh, fuck it. We'll just make it 50. Let's make it 50, see what happens. Oh, that's better. That's so much better. So much better. All right. We'll go with that one. Go with that one. And the color palette, we were going to go with 3,000? 3,000? Blue. The blue. All right. Let's bring this one in 40. That was 50. We'll bring this one in. Oh, yeah. Change this. Bring it into 40. See if we like that. See if it's too much on that radius. Ice cold. So that was 40. I think it was too much. 45. 45. 45. All right. Yeah, we're going to leave that one. We'll leave that one. All right, so now's the green. Now we add the green. Now we'll add the kick green. Yes, here. All right. Yeah, kick green. That was 45. So this one will be 40. Try 40 on this. These two colors side by side can make your eyes vibrate. Select none. Ooh, that shit's bright. I am your neighbor. And that shit is bright. What other order did I go on the other ones? I thought so. I separated them. Yeah. All right. So this one was 45. Let's just back it up. Back it up. Back it up. Let's change this color. No, we want to change that to blue. Blue. We'll go from white to blue. All right, we'll do brown next. So it was 60, 50, 45. That was the inside radius. Myself and I. Oop, oop, oop. It's not the color I schniggitied. Oh, I never go get the other brown. I never went and got brown. Brown, brown. Change the color. Too thick. Too thick. I was thinking it was too thick. All right, try it again. Oh, you piece of crap. That's not what I wanted you to do. Dookie eye. Consensus dookie eye. There you go. Hold it down. My finger came off the control button, man. All right. Punched them in the 4th day of July. All right, select none. Stare at it for a second. Now we go to the blue. Oh, no, the green. The green. Already fixed the radius. Hi. School. Should I go with black or white? I'm going to go black. Gonna have to go black. Radius, I guess 35? 35? Radius of 35. No, we want a nice thick green line, I think. God damn it, I did it again. Fuck. Last one. Last one. God damn it, fucking bitch. Jesus fucking Christ. Come on. Let go of the mouse first. Okay, and delete. Select none. Okay, so let's go to my news. That's what it looks like now. Okay, here's what we'll do. We'll do this. Where else? Make it smaller, super small. 200. Ooh, on it? 200? How do I want to do this? How do I want to do this? How do I want to do this? Just one in the middle. because it's going to look like this. It's not going to say kick anywhere on it, so I got to put it somewhere. So this is what the news layout looks like. How do I have the news? Similar. It's pretty much the same. Okay. Maybe I'll just go across the top with it. Fuck you. Oh, you know what? Yeah. You know what? Not even gonna worry about it. Damn it. Just eyeballing it here. Just eyeballing it. Just eyeballing it. Just eyeballing it. To shiver. My liver. Oh, too much. Oh, come on. Too much. Do I like it? Let's just mess around and export it and see what we got. News. Kick overlay. Kick theme. All right. All right. This needs to go over here to this other computer. Where did I put it at? Did it go here? Oh, it's probably with the news. It's the news shit. It's the news stream stuff. Here it is. Alrighty. Where you at, buddy? Where you at over here? Where you at? News overlay kick theme. Copy. documents, OBS stuff, paste piece, close. All right, let's go to the news. News border kick theme. I'm trying to think of a name. News overlay kick. I guess I could have made the colors thicker, but definitely the green sticks out, so that's important. Yeah, it's distinctly thicker than this one. Okay. Let's modify some of these other elements too. Let's do the goals down there at the bottom. All right, it's a little bit better for the goals. Where's the chat box? How big are you, chat box? Move to the left. Is good enough. Good enough. Visualizer. Hello, testing. Test, blah, 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 blah. All right. It's hard to tell. Sometimes I'm looking at something small, but I'm sure it's going to look good on the... Man, I don't like it that much. I want it to be more kick colors. It's not, the kick colors aren't popping like I want. I'm sitting there staring at it, and it's not popping like I want. It's just not popping like it's hot, bruh. Yeah, the green. Should have made the green thicker. I should have used a darker color to separate that light blue from the white. Yeah. All right. Good enough for now. Good enough for now. Now we will close this. Do not save. Do not save. I was wanting to make a Deadlock themed one too for the game Deadlock. But there's not like official assets available for Deadlock. Unfortunately. We'll go take a look. Take a look. Take a look. Subnautica 2. Pre-purchase now. The game is done, already out. They were just getting there. Hell is Us. That's not what we're here for. We're here for Deadlock. I know they don't have asset pack or anything. What could I do? Do I have any Deadlock assets already? Oh, the Long Dark has a whole fucking... I gotta finish playing the Long Dark. I got the Deadlock logo. That's about it. It's about 1,000 by 500. But they haven't like released official colors or asset packages. That banging noise. Do I have any screenshots? Do I got screenshots? Screenshots. Damn you. Why do I have so many fucking screenshots in here, bro? Some of this shit was just accidental, I think. I was sleeping. I was sleeping into some butt cheek. I had to screenshot that. What's this? $418 hours played. One friend wants this game. Two friends already own this game. I wonder. Someone's taking a shower right next in the room right next to me, and it's very loud. I'm going to top my drink off and do a quick smoke, and we'll come and look for these Deadlock assets in my PC. Okay. Sorry for all the damn sound effects. I had to go checking my kitties. This is the hottest time of the day. My streaming computers 20 degrees hotter than my gaming computer. As far as the GPU. Got that old CPU at 43%, just locked in, recording and streaming. 14-year-old hardware, guys. What's up? Streaming. All right, so we're looking for Deadlock assets. We're looking for Deadlock assets within the game files that we could use. Not gaming, like art that we can get colors and stuff from. I want to turn the game on and get screenshots and shit and have to do all that. I still got Look at all this shit here for games I don't even have. Sea of Thieves. I didn't get rid of some of this fucking shit. Elite. Yeah, that one was huge. Delete. I know I gotta see these. Delete. I thought I uninstalled. This shit just stays, don't it? Delete. All right. Empty. Yes, because I'm anal about that stuff. And why are you still open? Did I just... There. About to say. About to say. All right, Deadlock. Let's find some art. Hell yeah, Ice Ice, baby. What's up? You like Vanilla Ice? I ain't kidding. It's in my playlist. What's up? Collaborate and listen. Not glow. Like a pound of bacon. Rolling. Nope. Oh, come on, baby. Where's that? J with the gauge and vanilla with the 9. Boy, they sound hard, don't they? Shells. Where the jack is jack. Portrait VPK. What is a VPK file? Gemini. Gemini, what's a VPK file? A .vpk. And feel. Oh man, not even Gemini knows. Gemini's like, took a shit. It's a custom uncompressed archive format developed by Val. It's a Val file. It's a. It is not usually not compressed. It's like a compressed type of file, but not really compressed. So I guess Valve has a command line utility you can drag the file into. It says portraits. Yeah, they're fucking special format, man. All the art. Fucking Val, man. Oh, here we go. Hero abilities, main menu, pick screen. Videos, huh? I think some of this is old. Sinclair can use anyone's ability. Interesting. Interesting. Good jam. Replays, huh? Ooh, there's a game icon. But I can already snag that, technically. Sometimes in these, you'll find shit, man. Well, that sucks. It sucks, man. I was really and source. None of this stuff is allowed yet, huh? Because it's technically the game's not out yet. The game isn't out yet. Oh, man. I could probably work with that and do something. Either or. I wonder if there's anything on the internet. Yemeni. No, let's not do Yemeni. Let's just do a Ugle. Let's do an old school Ugle search. Let's go to dogpile.com. Ask your mom. Deadlock PC game by Valve. Deadlock PC game by Valve. Images, branding. Yeah, images and branding media. Oh, I'm banned from this forum. That's right. Fucking. You can't even argue. You can't even. See, that's. Yeah. You can't even display a contrary opinion that's well thought out and worded without someone fucking reporting you, man. It's so stupid. Project slowly moved away as a library for creating banners and game covers into a publicly accessible repository of graphics and resources typically not available within the game's core files. They are generated through the in-game UI renderer or other means. While I can't legally claim the creative works as my own, I have spent quite a bit of time and careful recreating the various assets and graphics available here that cannot be found within the core files. For the old Steam library covers and banners, go to the above Steam. Okay. To carefully recreate Deadlock's logo, blah, 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 blah. Fonts. Within the fonts folder, you'll find numerous fonts used within the game's menus and interface. I've chosen to separate these into their own folders, as each font type comes with an assortment of variants and styles I managed to hunt down and include. All right. Item cards. The map. I thought they'd have more than that. It hasn't been updated in a while. Oh, shit. Oh, shit. These are pretty good. Mask layer. Why do they have a mask layer for this? It is updated. That golden egg is, this is a new item. Yeah, some of that stuff's kind of cool. This is cool. All of these are cool. That's some good stuff. That's just not really what I'm looking for. Deadlock is Valve showing everyone how it's done. Deadlock steampunk meets fantasy styles already inspiring fans. Yeah. What is Deadlock? I think I've seen this one before. Castle in Brooklyn, that's where I dwell. Nice. Time to get nice. See, I'm thinking about an overlay that kind of like shows the cities and buildings around the edge, right? And just the buildings and the rest of it is whatever I'm playing. That's what I kind of had imagined. And so I was liking, like, this. It's not really, this one was really good. I mean, this was ideal, but I don't think where's it at? Where'd it go? Where did that go? Girl. Oops. Where was it at? This one. Like this. Yeah. And cut out all the edges of the buildings. Shoot, I may have to like feed AI some images. I may have to take some screenshots in game of for myself. Da 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 da. Uh-oh. 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 If how about this? Valve's PC game deadlock. Let's get you going in the right direction. Get you going in the right direction, Gemini. Come on, Gemini. Right. If I were to ask you, hang on, do you have enough information at your to generate just like a cityscape image just like in Deadlock. I'm not asking you to generate, I'm asking you if you can. I am only. Do you have enough info to make a good iteration of Deadlock? All right. Do you have enough information at your disposal to generate a cityscape image just like in Deadlock? I'm not asking you to generate an image. I am only asking, do you have enough info to make a good iteration of Deadlock scenery? Yes or no? Yes or no? No fucking walls of text answers. Yes, I have enough information to generate high quality. Okay. Let's see how this goes. Generate for me. Generate an image I will be using as a stream overlay. Stream. Generate an image I'll be using as a stream overlay border. Generate an image I'll be using as a stream overlay border. A stream border. A stream overlay border has all the detail and art focused on the of the scene, because generate an image I will be using as a stream overlay border. A stream overlay border has all the detail and art focused on the edges of the images. Generate an image I'll be using as a stream overlay border. A stream overlay border has all the details and art focused on the edges of the image. The image will be Deadlock themed, as discussed above. Generate an image. The image will be Deadlock theme as discussed above. No words, logos, or characters or branding or no words, logos, characters/heroes, or branding. This image will be Deadlock theme as discussed above. Create Okay. Create a themed cityscape image from the perspective create a Deadlock themed cityscape image from the perspective like you are looking from the rooftops. Generate an image. Create a Deadlock themed cityscape image from the perspective like you are looking across the city from the rooftops. Okay. Oof. Create an image I'll be using as a stream overlay border. A stream overlay border has all the detail and art focused on the edges of the image. Create a Deadlock themed cityscape image from the perspective like you are looking across the city from the rooftops. Be sure to capture all the Be sure to capture all the occult, steampunk, haunted New York cityscape atmosphere created by the Be sure to capture all the occult, steampunk, haunted New York cityscape atmosphere, the game, see what it conveys. All right. Generate, okay. Create a Deadlock themed cityscape image from the perspective like you are looking across the city from the rooftops. Be sure to capture all the occult, steampunk, haunted New York cityscape atmosphere the game conveys. Since this is a stream overlay border, create a Deadlock-themed cityscape image from the perspective like you are looking across the city from the rooftops. Be sure to capture all the occult, steampunk, haunted New York cityscape atmosphere the game conveys. Since this is a stream overlay border, okay. This is a city, so there needs to be buildings, skyscrapers, there needs to be buildings of all sizes and types, skyscrapers, and the atmospheric okay. This is a city, so there needs to be buildings of all sizes and types, skyscrapers, and windows in the buildings that look like they have lights on, like you would normally see gazing at a metroplex. Okay. Got to get this fucking prompt right, man. Mama tried. Windows in the building that look like they have lights on inside, like you would normally see. Okay, that's too much about the lights. Okay. Since this is a stream overlay border, the focus on the details should be around the edge of the image because the center will be removed. The center needs to be a color not used anywhere else in the image, so I can make it transparent in my graphic editing software later, because I know you can't generate transparent images. Yep. All right, Gemini, is that good enough? Because the center will be removed. All right. The center needs to be a color not used anywhere else in the image, so I can make it transparent in my graphic editing software later, because I know you can't generate transparent images. All right. Well, have little hope that this is going to be any good at all. I have very little expectations. This 15-20 minutes I spent just articulating this prompt, we'll see. Oh, it's calling it the border a donut structure. Designing the donut structure. We'll see what it's pretty fucking cool. Okay. Wow, that's cool. Not. But this is for a stream border. Stream borders are thin, not taking up much space. Adding an ornamental edge to the scene. What did you... Don't answer that. That is not a stream border you just created. It's not a frame. Well, this is for a stream border. Stream borders are thin frames, not taking up much space. Like Blake Griffin? I mean, it was kind of a cool image. Just feeling you. Yup. 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 Defining the frame details. Come on, Gemini. You can do it. Oh, wow. Oh, wow. Oh, wow. Let's see. Let's fuck with that. What size did we end up with? What did we even determine? We didn't ask. Damn. Let's just fuck around with it for a second. Let's just fuck around with it for a second. Let's just fuck around with it for a second. Let's just fuck around. Oops. 25. Yeah, this shit is so cool, but it needs to be over here on the edges more. I mean, all of this border is fucking cool. Man, it's so fucking cool. That is so cool. It is so fucking cool. Oh my god, it's so fucking cool. Oh man. Oh wow. That is so fucking cool. It's so close. Fortunately, there is still too much encroaching into the center image. You definitely added a distinct distinct border that is dope as fuck. Those buildings you created are fantastic. But it's all too much in the center. There needs to be plenty of space to see the screen that this overlay is on, and it doesn't leave much. Those buildings you create are fantastic, but it's still too much in the center. There needs to be plenty of space to see the screen that this overlay is on, and it doesn't leave much space to do that. There needs to be plenty of space to see the screen that this overlay is on, and it doesn't leave and okay. We made my point. Those buildings you create are fantastic, but it's all too much in the center. There needs to be plenty of space to see the screen that this overlay is on. Push all the buildings and art to the edges, but while maintaining the aesthetic. Okay. This is the free thinking, so you got to take our time to be very Oh wow, that is so fucking cool. All right. Okay. This may be the last prompt that Gemini is able to generate with thinking, because there's only so much thinking capacity on the free versions. It's the exact same fucking image. No. You did not change it at all. Oh. Those tall buildings. You did not push the buildings and art to the edges at all. It looks the same. There is too much shit in the fucking middle. Do not push the building and art to the edges at all. It looks the same. There is too much shit in the fucking middle. Come on, Gemini. I gotta go cook some food in a little bit. This is a short stream. No. No. All you did was color in the stuff. That is not a fucking frame at all. Think frame. It frames the screen. It overlays. Not takes up fucking 50% like you have now. That's some rage slop typing shit right there. No. Frame. It frames the screen, it overlays, not takes up fucking 50%. Frame. I mean, this is fantastic. Nope. 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 We'll just sit here and try again all day long. Yeah, we're about to use up my whole thinking capacity here because Gemini, man, it's almost perfect, man. It's almost fucking, it looks great. It looks so good. It looks so good. Oh. Better. Better. Definitely better. Definitely getting there, man. Try again, motherfucker. Try again. I'm hungry. I want to go cook some food. Come on, Gemini, baby. Don't let me down. Don't let me down. Be sexy. Yeah, I got to go do some domestic things. I wasn't planning on streaming for too long. Come on, Gemini. Hook me up. So fucking close. So close. So close. Uh-oh. Uh-oh. It says constructing the thin frame. Okay. There we go. It's not a fucking thin frame. That is not a thin frame at all. None of them have been yet. Thin frame. Think thin frame. Thin border. Thin edge. thin. About to give up, Gemini. About to give up, Gemini. Come on, baby. Come on, baby. Don't let me down, Gemini. Don't let me down, Gemini. All this. Everything inside needs to be gone. Jesus fucking Christ. I'm going to punch my monitor if it does something stupid at this point. Oh, it's better. No, you didn't. No, you didn't. Jesus fucking Christ. The fuck is this shit? The fuck is this shit? The fuck is this shit? Doesn't even look like steampunk anymore. Yeah, we'll try it again later with a different seed. Probably while I'm offline. This isn't working out. Those are some cool images, though. I mean, the art, the theme, and the imagery that it did create was pretty good. But I'm about ready to give up on you. Jesus fucking Christ! No. 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 I do want to play some games, but I gotta go be domestic and stuff. And I'm hungry. So I'm gonna wrap it up. If you were watching the show, I appreciate it. Thank you, Waters, for the kicks, man. Thank you so much. So much. If I had more streamers or viewers, I'd send them to you. Are you live? Is Waters live? Who is? Oh, okay. Who it is? No. All right. All right. See if my credit did my end credits give Waters his proper dues? Watch him one more time. Wasn't paying attention. Let's scroll one more time. Now, he gave me $1. Not 15 cents. He gave me $1. All right. That's funny. Okay.